Hey guys, I am going to be thinning out my sweet corn today, and you're currently looking at Silver Queen sweet corn. And I've got 4 rows planted about 10 inches apart this way, and then about 6 inches apart this way. And I put about 2 kernels in per hole, and so for the most part 2 plants have sprouted in each one of the holes, so I'll have to thin that out to 1. But what I'm not sure of is whether I need to thin it out even further, because maybe 6 inches apart is just entirely too close. I mean, everything I've read said that it might be. People are talking like 12 to 18 inches, but this is such a small plot. I don't know that I really want to do that. So tell me what you think. If you've got an experience, tell me what you think about that. But yeah, so these seedlings are about 3 weeks and roughly about, most of them are about 4 inches. And you got this mammoth here that's quite a bit taller. And so we'll see how it goes. All right, so I've just got a pair of pruners here, or shears, I'm not really sure what you call these, but I'm putting it between the 2 plants, and I'm going to pull up on the one I don't want. And I'm doing that because a lot of the times the roots can become intertwined, and so I'm hoping this will help keep me from pulling out the wrong one. So I've got one there. All right, here are all the seedlings I got rid of. It kind of breaks my heart a little bit. You can see here where they germinated out of the kernel. It's kind of cool. Anyway, I wish I had some friends I could share this with, but I don't, so I'm gonna have to let them go. So I've thinned out the seedlings to just 1 per hole. However, again, I just wonder if these are too close together this way, at 6 inches. So tell me if I need to maybe get rid of this one and then this one, or should I just leave them? But for now I'm going to leave them. I'm a little hesitant to pull out that many. So just for reference, this is about 4 by 3, this space here. So got about a 12 square foot area. So anyway, let me know what you think.